All right, well, welcome back, everyone. In today's Dollars and Cents, we're talking about practical ways to improve your credit score.
Yeah, Robyn Mannone, Chief Consumer Lending Officer at APG Federal Credit Union, joins us now. All right, Robyn, we got to talk, okay? Credit scores, doesn't matter. Why does it matter so much?
Yeah, it matters. A credit score matters because it really is the foundation of everything. And it was always used for a lender to show the obligation to repay the debt. But now it's also used because it has that weight for rental obligations. Before you can rent, they'll pull your credit and they'll look at your credit score and show, have you made your commitment to your creditors, which makes it stronger for you to rent an apartment, open utilities, and also to manage your car insurance premium.
And speaking of that, you know, people think that you only need your credit score to be good if you're buying a car or if you're renting. But people should check them no matter what periodically, but how often should they?
So they should check them monthly. And at APG FCU, and if you visit our website, www.apgfcu.com, we do, if you're a member, we do provide you your credit score on a monthly basis.
Okay.
And you should really go in. It's not just your credit score, it's also your report. So you can go in and look and make sure it's accurate. Make sure that your payments were received.
Okay. Some things can be wrong.
Some things can be wrong, unfortunately.
So I know a lot of us were outside this summer. That's what some of young people say, right? But how can spending and all of that spending can add up quickly?
It can.
How can we still enjoy our summer, but also spend responsibly?
Yep. So you can be proactive and look at it before the summer comes and set some funds aside as you're sitting at home in the wintertime. Set some funds aside. But the other important thing is if you are planning a larger vacation, is budget for it. Really know what you're getting into, what you're planning to do. Will really give you a heads up to not have to borrow to go on vacation, because then you're really behind the purpose and then you're carrying debt.
Now, I imagine, to Janae's point, and it holds true too, even going into this season. I'm seeing Christmas in July sales now.
Yes.
People are already trying to budget for Christmas.
Yes.
Same principle.
Yeah.
Same principle.
Okay.
Same principle. Just don't overload the debt.
Okay.
Yes. Same principle. Yep.
So what are some simple habits people can do, like right now as they're watching us?
Well, the first thing they should do is check their credit score. That's the first thing they should do. And if they are trying to improve their credit score, they really should ensure that they're making on-time payments. That's essential in everything we're talking about today. The second thing is, if you have a credit card, try to keep that balance below 30% of the overall credit limit. That does impact your credit score.
Okay. And what about things that people do unintentionally, maybe that hurt their credit scores? What are some of those pitfalls?
Unfortunately, one of them is not making on-time payments. So if you set up automated payments, it just helps. You don't have to think about it. It automatically pulls the payment. Taking too many inquiries, shopping, the department store cards, where you get 10% off, well, the inquiry is going to impact the credit score. So
very helpful.
Yes.
So APG FCU is the website.com. And you're ready to open up in a few months a site down in Canton, which a lot of folks down in that part of the city are going to be really happy to see.
Yes. So we're looking forward to that.
Absolutely. Robyn Mannone, thank you so much for stopping in.
Thank you.
Great advice.